Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have the essentials: Vscode and Git. First, clone or open the repository folder so files are immediately available. Once done, sign into GitHub inside Vscode to enable push and pull. Make sure Git is configured with your name and email, and that you have SSH or HTTPS access. Now open the repo folder in the editor, check the source control panel, and create a new branch before changing any files so your work stays isolated. You will make edits and manage history now. Start editing files in the editor, using extensions such as GitLens for blame and history insights. Once changes are ready, open source control, stage specific files or hunks, or use git add for precise control. Then write a concise commit message explaining the why and what. Commit to your current branch. If you need to run tests or linters, do that before committing so the commit reflects passing state. You'll finish by pushing and creating a pull request. Push your branch to origin, then open a PR on GitHub and add reviewers, a description, and linked issues. Once approved, merge or follow project merging rules. If push fails or conflicts appear, fetch and pull the latest remote changes, resolve conflicts in files using the editor, stage the resolutions, and commit again. Make sure to rerun tests after resolving conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.